Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account and closing every Office app. This avoids file locks. Once done, export the Office registry key as a backup so you can restore if needed. Next, open an elevated command prompt by right-clicking and choosing Run as administrator. You'll need it for the key removal commands. Make sure you note the Office edition, Home, Pro, or Volume, because the registry paths and commands differ slightly based on edition. Now query licensing. Run slmgr and the Office script OSP. VBS to list installed keys and activation status so you know which last 5 characters to target. Then execute OSP. VBS/unpay, last 5 to uninstall that specific product key. Repeat for multiple keys. If activation persists, carefully remove related licensing registry entries you backed up earlier. Make sure to stop Office-related services first, and after deletion, restart the machine to clear cached activation tokens before attempting reactivation or installation. Finish by restarting the PC and opening an Office app to confirm it now shows as unlicensed or prompts for a product key. If you plan to change keys, use OSP. VBS/imkey, new key then /act to activate. If anything goes wrong, error codes, missing files, or activation stuck, restore the registry backup you exported and verify Office licensing service and related services are running, then retry the uninstall sequence. When stuck, run the support and recovery assistant to capture logs and guide fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.